Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick video about the Scout overheating. There's quite a few videos I've seen on YouTube and just personal experience of when we turn on the smoke setting, it rises up to over 400 degrees, and then as I've seen on previous videos, if you let it run, then it will just explode. If not, then it just stays there when it's supposed to be in the smoke setting. There's no smoke coming out at 400 degrees. So I had this issue with the previous Traeger I had, and we couldn't get it resolved. They had no idea what it was, but with this one, I was able to get it resolved, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So if anything, if you have the same issue, we could get that fixed for you also. So my issue was when I would turn it into the smoke setting. I'm not gonna run it right now, we're inside the house, but when I would turn it on to the smoke setting, what it would do is it would go up way too high, 400 degrees. I thought it might need to go up a few degrees and then stop, but that wasn't the case. So I called Traeger and I spoke to them, and they thought that it might be the thermostat inside here, this little guy. And I said, no, it's not that guy, because obviously we're getting the correct reading on the display here. So they thought it might be the control. In the end, after all the troubleshooting, we discovered that this right here, I don't know if you guys could see that, this is actually a sticker, and it comes off. And what that is, that little hole, it's the P setting. So what you do is you get a little pin or a paper clip, or I use a little drill bit, and you poke it inside, and what it does is there's a P dash number, whatever number 1 through 5 that comes out, and that P indicates pause, and it controls the auger speed that's inside. When I would have the heat go up to like 300 degrees, I would hear the auger keep spinning and spinning and spinning, and the temperature would go higher and higher. And my setting was at P2. So P stands for pause, and it was 2, so that was like every 15 seconds it would pause. I ended up switching it to 4 and later to 5, and that held my smoke setting right around 200 plus degrees. So if you guys are having the problem where it's overheating, just get that P setting and change it down to P5. That's as high as it goes. And if you guys don't have that P setting, if you don't have that little sticker there or a little hole, then go ahead and give Traeger a call, and they'll send you a new control. Like they were gonna send me this exact control, and you'll have the P setting, and you could control the auger that way. So that's it for this. I just wanted to let you guys know about the solution to my problem, and if you guys have the same problem, you could resolve it that way. And it's not the pellets. The pellets are brand new. Make sure your pellets are brand new. Make sure you guys are working in the shade away from the sun, because that could easily overheat the Traeger also. So just a few minor tips like that, and then check on that P setting.